Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Honor 200 Smart, a new budget smartphone that has just been officially announced. We'll be diving into its key features, design, display, performance, and more. The price has also been revealed, and we're going to find out if this device is worth your hard-earned money. Let us get started. First up, let's talk about the design. The Honor 200 Smart comes in two color options, green and black. The design is distinct, setting it apart from other budget smartphones in its category. Honor has gone for a minimalistic yet modern look, with smooth, matte finishes that resist fingerprints and provide a comfortable grip. The device feels sturdy, with a slightly curved back that makes it easy to hold. Moving on to the display, the Honor 200 Smart features a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus screen with a resolution that brings out sharp and vibrant visuals. What's more, it comes with a 120 Hz LCD panel, which is impressive for a budget phone. This high refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and fluid animations, making your day-to-day usage feel snappier and more responsive. Under the hood, the Honor 200 Smart is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor. While it's not the most powerful chipset out there, it's more than capable of handling everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and light gaming. Paired with either 4GB or 6GB of RAM, the phone offers decent multitasking capabilities for its price range. One of the standout features of this phone is its 5,200 mAh battery, which easily lasts through a full day of usage. And when you need to recharge, the 35W fast charging support will get you back up and running quickly. Now, let us talk about the cameras. The Honor 200 Smart is equipped with a 50MP primary camera. For a budget device, this is quite impressive. It captures sharp and detailed images in good lighting conditions. The phone also comes with a 2MP macro lens and a 2MP depth sensor, though these are more supplementary features rather than standouts. On the front, there's an 8MP selfie camera. It does a decent job for video calls and casual selfies, though it's not particularly strong in low light conditions. Finally, let us talk about the price. The Honor 200 Smart starts at just $200, making it a great value for money option. It's clear that Honor has focused on delivering a solid smartphone experience at an affordable price. Whether you're a student, a budget-conscious buyer, or just looking for a secondary device, the Honor 200 Smart offers a lot for its price. So, is the Honor 200 Smart worth it for the price? It's hard to beat. You're getting a large, high refresh rate display, solid performance, a good battery, and a decent camera setup, all for just $200. If you're in the market for a budget smartphone that doesn't skimp on essential features, the Honor 200 Smart is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. See you in the next video.